Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Marco Marvelayo, and I'm going to report about the manufacturing and industrial process with plant visits laboratory, plant visit report on lithalic fishing line and fish factory, submitted to Dr. Michael Loretero. So, Unit 1, the entire process. So, introduction, fish is one of the protein foods that needs careful handling. This is because fish spoils easily after capture due to the high tropical temperature, which accelerates the activities of bacteria, enzymes, and chemical oxidation of fat in the fish. Due to poor handling, about 30 to 50% of fish harvested are wasted in Nigeria. These losses could be minimized by the application of proper handling, processing, and preservation techniques. So the purpose of processing and preserving fish is not to get fish to an ultimate consumer in good usable condition. The steps necessary to accomplish the begin before the fishing expedition starts and do not end until the fish is eaten or processed into oil, meal, or a feed. Therefore, the key to delivering a high quality product is close attention to small details throughout the entire process of preparation, catching, landing, handling, storage, and transport. So this is my process flow. Process flow. So first, the handling the catch. When fish is captured or harvested from for commercial purposes, they need some processing so they can be delivered to the next part in the marketing chain in a fresh and undamaged condition. Mali siya kanang gikan makuha ang fish sa kanang mga fish net inga na ilabutan na sila og container inga ni nasa figure. Transferring the catch fish from the fishing gear, such as troll, net, or fishing line to the fishing vessel. Holding the catch before further handling, sorting and grading, bleeding and gutting and washing, chilling, storing and chilled fish, unloading or landing the fish when the fishing vessel returns to the port. So next, removal of the scales, heads, fins, and bones. For a whole flat fish, wash and cut off the head, holding the fish by the tail and using a sharp knife, scale it by scraping toward the head until the scales are removed. Thus, as you can see in the first picture, gikuan siya og kanang ay kanang scale. Next is cutting of the head. Mo ni ang gipakita sa second picture below. Next is cutting. The removal of guts and intestines of the fish. Gutting should be carried out fish no matter what method of preservation is going to be applied. After gutting the fish should be washed thoroughly with clean running water. Gutting and washing of the fish helps to prevent bacterial attack before the during processing preservation of the storage. As you can see in the picture, yung gikuan na siya mga tinai. Then, placement in cans. Can or tin fish are food fish which have been processed, sealed in an airtight container such as a sealed tin can and subjected to heat. Canning is a method of preserving food and provides a typical shelf life ranging from 1 to 5 years. Mo ni siya. Next, the unit 2, the plant layout. The Salik fishing line and fish factory is located in Cebu City Port. The entire factory consists of 19 different areas where the entire process will be happen. The entrance corridor wa man siya ang atong layout sa atong factory. Entrance corridor where the delivered fish will be put in place. Chilled raw material storeroom where the delivered fish will be stored. Before kuan ara sa stored before mag katong wash katong magkuha og tinain na ana. Next, the production room where the entire process will happen, the washing of the fish, cutting head, removing the bush, and etc. Stunning of fish. Fish are usually stunned and killed by immersion in ice water or ice asphyxia, methods that can have been proven not to cause immediate loss of brain function and can negatively impact the quality of the flesh. The low temperature caused by immersion in ice water decrease metabolism and immobilize fish. Next, the table. After stunning the fish, it will be put in the table and delivered into the washer. Washer, where it to wash the fish, removing its blood and scales. Transporter, delivered to the waste of the fish, like intestine and many more. Container with cover where all the waste will be stuck. And then tingubon na ni siya og labay padong sa dump site. Self-packaging storeroom where the packaging of the fish to the cans happens. Then chilled product storeroom, asa ni ipang um where the canned goods will be placed for ready to transported sa mga companies. So unit 3, specification of equipment. First, the refrigeration. Mao ni siya. Next, the fishing cutting machine. And lastly, the lead recomposition and good machines. That would be all. Thank you.